How much does it cost to develop a Flutter app in 2024? Flutter app development cost: a comprehensive guide. In recent years, Flutter has emerged as a powerful framework for app development, gaining popularity among businesses and developers alike. What is Flutter? Flutter is an open-source UI software development toolkit created by Google. It allows developers to build natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop from a single codebase. Factors influencing Flutter app development cost. The cost of developing a Flutter app depends on several factors. Let's break them down. App complexity, development team, timeframe, testing and maintenance. App complexity. The complexity of your app plays a crucial role in determining the development cost. Simple apps will be more affordable than complex ones with advanced features. Development team. The size and expertise of your development team impact the cost. Hiring skilled Flutter developers may come at a higher price, but it ensures a quality product. Timeframe. The time required for app development influences the overall cost. Rushed projects may incur additional expenses. Testing and maintenance. Regular testing and ongoing maintenance are essential for a successful app. Budgeting for these phases is crucial. Conclusion. In conclusion, understanding the factors that influence Flutter app development cost allows you to make informed decisions. For more insights, visit. For more in-depth insights on Flutter app development cost, visit the ManagTech blog. Thank you for watching. How can ManagTech help you with Flutter app development? Looking at the benefits of using Flutter, if you're considering hiring Flutter app developers, ManagTech is at your service.